The year was 1957, a year that would forever change the course of human history. The world watched in awe as Sputnik, a gleaming metal sphere, soared into the heavens, marking the dawn of a new era. The Soviet Union had launched the first artificial satellite, a feat that stunned the global community. This monumental achievement ignited the space race, challenging American technological dominance and sparking a fierce competition. This singular event sent shockwaves through the United States, causing a mix of fear and determination among its citizens. Fear mixed with a fierce determination to surpass the Soviets, driving the nation to new heights of innovation and ambition. From this crucible of anxiety and ambition, NASA was born, a beacon of hope and progress. In 1958, President Dwight D. Eisenhower signed the National Aeronautics and Space Act, a pivotal moment in American history. This act established the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA, setting the stage for a new era of exploration. Its mission was clear: to win the space race and to push the boundaries of human knowledge and capability. The stakes were incredibly high, with national pride and global prestige hanging in the balance. This was not just about national pride, it was about demonstrating scientific and technological superiority on the world stage, a battle of ideologies. The early days of NASA were a whirlwind of activity, filled with relentless effort and groundbreaking discoveries. Engineers worked feverishly, their minds ablaze with calculations and designs, pushing the limits of what was possible. Test pilots, the bravest of the brave, strapped themselves into experimental rockets, ready to face the unknown. They faced the unknown with unwavering courage, embodying the spirit of exploration and adventure. Failures were inevitable, each one a harsh lesson learned on the path to progress, but they only fueled the determination to succeed. Yet with each setback, NASA's resolve only grew stronger, their vision of space exploration becoming ever clearer. The dream of space exploration, once a distant glimmer, was rapidly becoming a tangible reality, a testament to human ingenuity. The world held its breath, watching as humanity stood on the precipice of a new era, ready to reach for the stars. The early missions were tentative steps into the cosmic unknown, a journey filled with both hope and uncertainty. Each launch was a gamble, a test of ingenuity and nerve, where every second counted and every decision mattered. Explorer 1, America's first satellite, pierced the veil of the cosmos in 1958, marking a monumental leap for humanity. This achievement boosted national morale and signaled the beginning of America's race to catch up with the Soviets, igniting a fervor for space exploration. The Pioneer and Ranger programs followed, each mission pushing the boundaries of knowledge and technology, venturing further into the unknown. Pioneer probes ventured towards the moon, their cameras sending back the first close-up images of our celestial neighbor, revealing its secrets. Ranger spacecraft, on kamikaze missions, crashed into the lunar surface, transmitting vital data until their final moments, paving the way for future missions. These early successes were not without their share of setbacks, as the path to the stars was fraught with challenges. Rockets exploded on the launch pad, turning dreams into fiery debris. Missions failed to reach their targets, falling short of their ambitious goals. Disappointment was a constant companion, a reminder of the immense challenges of spaceflight, yet it also fueled determination. But the spirit of exploration burned brighter than ever, undeterred by the obstacles faced. NASA's engineers and scientists refused to be deterred, their resolve only strengthening with each setback. They learned from their mistakes, pushing the boundaries of what was considered possible, turning failures into stepping stones. The dream of putting a man in space, once a distant fantasy, was now within reach, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Project Mercury took center stage, capturing the imagination of an entire nation. Its goal was audacious: to put an American astronaut into orbit around the Earth, a feat that seemed almost impossible at the time. A select group of test pilots, the Mercury 7, were chosen for this perilous mission. These men underwent rigorous training, pushing the boundaries of human endurance and technology. These men became instant heroes, their names synonymous with courage and adventure. They were the embodiment of the American spirit, daring to venture into the unknown. On May 5, 1961, Alan Shepard etched his name in history. His journey was not just a personal triumph, but a national milestone. He became the first American in space, his Freedom 7 capsule soaring 116 miles above the Earth's surface. The mission lasted only 15 minutes, but its impact was immeasurable. Though a suborbital flight, it was a monumental achievement, proving that America could compete with the Soviet Union in space. It was a testament to the nation's technological prowess and determination. The nation erupted in celebration. Parades were held, and the American public felt a renewed sense of pride and optimism. Shepard's flight was a much-needed victory in the Cold War, a testament to American ingenuity and resilience. It was a clear message to the world that the United States was a formidable contender in the space race. It was a powerful symbol of hope, demonstrating that even in the darkest of times, humanity could still reach for the stars. The mission inspired countless individuals to dream bigger and aim higher, but the ultimate prize, a full orbit around Earth, still eluded America. The challenge was far from over. The Soviets held that distinction, Yuri Gagarin having circled the globe in April 1961. His achievement set a high bar for NASA. The pressure mounted on NASA to match and then surpass this accomplishment. Engineers and scientists worked tirelessly, driven by the desire to achieve the impossible. The world watched, waiting to see who would win the next round of the space race. The stakes were higher than ever, and the future of space exploration hung in the balance.